What seems to be the problem, friend? It would appear the seals have you at a loss. Could the murals in our vicinity be related to the seals?
Our reincarnate, the mural depicts the Vidyadhara. It worked.
General, did you hear about Miss Tingyun?
I received word from Lady Fu. The depth of Ventilia's infiltration, along with her meticulous planning, makes her extremely difficult to guard against. The Cloud Knights will carry out an investigation. But for now, our most pressing matter is to put a stop to Ventilia's scheme.
This seal was already on the verge of breaking before the Ambrosial Arbor's resurrection.
Found your weakness.
There are abominations up ahead. Careful, everyone.
Stay calm. You know nothing of the weight. Survive or be destroyed. There is no other choice.
Oh, let's see. Need a doctor? Time to show you. What's in your prescription? Saving me won't earn you any favor. Let me tend your wounds.
Let's go. Rules are made to be broken.
Leave it to me. Go.
Much better.
Who invited you?
Let's make it quick.
Let's begin. Stand down.
No manners, huh?
Survive or be destroyed. There is no other choice.
Everything is ordained by the stars. Give these trailblazers your blessing. Time to show you what's in your prescription. Saving me won't earn you any
Rules
favor.
are made to be broken.
Who will it be? You don't look so good. Need a vitamin.
Much better. Let's go.
Stand down.
Let me tend your wounds.
Leave it to me.
Time to show you what's in your prescription! Who invited you? Everything is ordained by the stars. Give these trailblazers your blessing! Need a doctor?
Let's make it quick.
Who will it be? But I want to make it over! That didn't count. Let's go again.
Let's go.
Did you notice the flagstone the creature was stepping on? I wonder if it has any connection to the seal. Oh.
Okay, let's head to the third seal. The last of the three talons is here.
Hey, check it out! The bases of these stone lanterns are different. Hey, check it out! The bases of these stone lanterns are different.
reverence to the three talons is complete. Now, we must head for the roots of the arbor. The roots of the arbor are still growing.
It's Fantilia. We must hurry.
A little something for everyone.
Stay.
Is that a dragon?
We've reached the end. These reverence to the three talons. The path to the great roots. This is it. Now,
I hope everyone is prepared.
Has the General of the Lawfu chosen to grace me with his...
That witch! She was here waiting for us the whole time. Show yourself, Fantilia!
And the benefactors, too. Oh, patience, patience. Let me make myself presentable. Now I see why the disciples of Sanctus Medicus hold themselves in such high regard. The Arbor's traces really do possess the power of metamorphosis.
Fantilia! What is she
Benefactors, behold this beautiful body. The miracles of abundance live up to the name. Let's see if I can put it to good use. The very power that brought the Cienjo long life, I will use to bring it destruction.
Fentilia has usurped the power of the Arbor. All of you, focus on destroying the Phantom Flowers. I'll go for the body.
Rules are made to be broken.
A well-matched opponent.
To victory!
Let's make it quick.
So much bark with so little bite. This body was born of the Arbor.
That's some strong wind!
March, careful! On my command. For the Cienzo!
Try untangling yourselves from this.
The weeds in my garden give me more grief.
Your arrogance betrays you.
You don't look so good!
Rules are made to be broken.
Blood sex. Life finds a way.
Tilia, your scheme for the Cienzo!
Let's begin. Stand down. Survive or be destroyed. There is no other choice.
Time was in your prescription!
Much better.
Vanquish the abomination!
Leave it to me. Timely
Let's go.
treatment.
Crushing an ant with the weight of a star. How indulgent. The universe will end in destruction. And with it, the
My command. For the Cienzo!
Need a doctor?
Let's begin. You know nothing of the survive or be destroyed. There is no other choice.
To victory! Show no mercy.
Rules are made to be broken.
General of the Cienzo. Can your
Unhung! You take it from here!
If it was over, Fentilia.
a scion of Pearl? Have you finally remembered your duty of watching over the Arbor?
Time was in your prescription!
A foregone conclusion.
I'm the banks.
Let's make it quick.
Leave it to me.
On my command.
Let's go.
Still ends to you, Fentilia. So much effort to crush us, and met with so little success.
It's almost as if you can't wait to be acquainted with me. I'm afraid you won't have the chance.
Can't relax just yet.
Time to end this.
I commend.
A little something for everyone.
Benefactors, behold this beautiful body. The miracles of abundance. Let's see if I can put it to good use. The very power that brought the Cienjo long life, I will use to bring it destruction.
Vantilia has usurped the power of the Arbor. All of you, focus on destroying the Phantom Flowers. I'll go for the body. Vanquish the abomination!
Rules are made to be broken.
Try untangling yourselves from this.
The weeds in my garden give me more grief.
Your arrogance betrays you. So much bark with so little bite. This body was born of the ark.
Had some strong wind.
March, careful! Time for some hardship. Good.
Let's go. Yeah.
What's in your prescription?
Vantilia, your scheme ends here! Show no mercy!
Let's begin. Stand down. Survive or be destroyed. There is no other choice.
For the Cienjo!
Yeah.
Let me do.
Crushing an ant with the weight of a star. How indulgent. The universe will end in destruction.
Are made to be broken.
To victory!
General of the Cienjo, can your
Gunhung! You take it from here!
Think it was over, Vantilia?
a scion of Perman. Have you finally remembered your duty of watching over the Arbor?
The vanguard of the hunt! For the Show no mercy.
Let's make it quick.
Vanquish the abomination.
Timely treatment.
Time wasn't your prescription!
Let's go. Yeah.
You know nothing of survive or be destroyed. There is no other choice.
Let me tend your wounds!
This is our chance. Yeah.
Leave it to me.
Rules are made to be broken.
Stand down.
Vantilia, your skin or the Sienjo! We still ends to you, Vantilia. So much effort to crush us, and met with so little success.
It's almost as if you can't wait to be acquainted with me. I'm afraid you won't have a chance. Time to end this.
See what's not over!
I can't relax just yet.
Out of ideas, Vantilia!
1,000 thanks.
Time wasn't your prescription!
Much better.
You're wasting more time. Time to end this.
I am the vanguard of the hunt.
Just a scratch. Rules are made to be broken.
Time.
Vantilia, your scheme ends here. Vanquish the abomination.
Time wasn't your prescription!
Timely treatment.
Blossom.
You know nothing of survive or be destroyed. There is no other choice.
Is that it?
Yeah. Much better. Just a scratch.
Time for some hardship.
Yeah.
On my command. For the Sienjo! Show no mercy.
Time to end this.
Let me tend your wounds!
Much better. Rules are made to be broken.
Forgive my indulgence. Your struggle in the face of certain death is... For my next trick, I shall turn the power of the destruction. Will eat away at... Let's start with this arrogant Sienjo. I wonder if the transformation of the Sienjo General into a Void Ranger would cast the law proof back into chaos. Destruction works in fascinating ways. What are you...
Don Hong! Do it!
Not bad, General of the Hunt. But all I lost was a body stolen on a whim. And you, how much longer can you last? The destruction of the Cienjo is nigh.
Be gone, pawn of destruction. Tell the Legion that the vengeance of the Hunt will fall upon them.
General, are you okay?
I'm still alive. And it would seem... Fantilia, a truly fearsome enemy. If she hadn't attempted to turn me into a pawn of destruction, I'm afraid... Fantilia had established a link between me and herself. Her well-timed strike gravely injured her. Thus, her connection to the Arbor was set.
So it was all part of the plan? When Don Hung stabbed you, I was scared to death.
It takes more than that to destroy an emanator of destruction.
Fantilia won't be stirring up trouble anytime soon. Don't worry about her infecting the Arbor again.
Leave that to the Master Diviner.
General, keep those eyes open. Now's not the time to fall asleep. Hey, wake up!
The next destination? Up to you.